Hello everyone, I welcome you all in this tutorial, and in this video I will show you how you can cut the video clips, rejoin them, and how you can resize the video clips. Okay, let's see how we can do it. So we have a video clip right here and a audio clip. So we want to make this video clip shorter. So what you need to do, just select the video clip, and when you reach at the end edge of this video clip, you can see a red arrow appears. So then you need to click and just drag it left to make it shorter. And if you want to extend this clip, you need to just reach to the end edge of this clip, and when a red arrow facing on the right side appears, then you need to move it right. So that's how you can actually resize the video clip. Same thing goes for the audio clip. So when you just resize the video clip, at the same way you can also resize the audio clip, just like that. No matter what actually appears, you can just do it. Now the second thing is, what if when that I want to cut something inside the video clip. So to do that, just find the point where you want to cut. For example, I want to cut this point to this point. Okay, so the starting point is that, for example, okay. So now what you need to do, make sure that this video and audio clips are unselected. If you have selected like any one clip, so just click on anywhere in this panel, just click on here, so it will be unselected. Now what you need to do, you need to press Ctrl and K on a Windows and Command K on a Mac to cut a point on a clip. So I have separated the starting point. Now I want to cut this point to this point. As you can see, the video clip is already cut. Then you can actually identify it when you click on the first person. As you can see, just like before, it's not selecting the whole clip because now these two clips are separate. So, and the audio clips are as well. I want to cut at this point too. So what I need to do, to press select unselected clips and again press Ctrl and K on a Windows and Command K on a Mac, and now I have two cutting points, here and there. So now I want to delete these two clips. So to delete these clips, I want to select these two clips. So holding Shift key, click on this video clip and audio clip. Now these two clips are selected, and press the delete button and the clips are deleted. Now I want to rejoin this clip with these two clips. How can I do it? Holding the Shift key, select the both clips, video and audio, and left click on it and drag it like that. But don't go like that, overlap, don't overlap, just drag it and drop it at the starting edge of the first clip. So now we have joined our clip. If you now play, you can see that we are running good. If you look at on the right side, there is a clone and download option, and copy the whole link from here. So as you can see, it's that's how you can cut the clips inside your inside of one clip. So you can cut it and make it as you want. But there is a problem. Now when you select the clips, it's actually selects separately. What if I want to do the editing just like before? I want to make this video, two video clips together. So what I need to do, that I need to select this both clips holding the Shift key click on this and this. Now when you click on the right button, you can see an option called nest. So when you click on it, it will create a subsequence for you. So you need to name the sequence. For example, I just name it nested sequence as it is. So click on OK. So now you can see that it's now a whole whole clip now. And when you select, the whole clip actually selecting. Now what if I want the clips I have cutted just like before? You need to double click on it to find the subsequences inside it. Now I have a subsequence here, the segments of the container sequence. Okay, these two clips. And if you want to go back to the previous view, then you need to click, there is a view here. You need to switch between the windows, sequence windows, just like that. So same thing goes for the audio clip. You need to select the both audio clips and right click and click on nest and name your sequence and click on OK. So you can find the subsequences when you double click on the sequence. So as you can see, nested sequence 1 and nested sequence 2. So just find it when you have a job with these subsequences. Okay, so that's all for this video. I will catch you up in the next one.